name is 𝐂𝐡𝐚𝐩𝐿, Senior Economist at America's Credit Unions. Welcome to the Economic Update. Today I'm sharing how we use the Equifax Analytic Dataset, better known as ADS, to gain insight into credit union membership demographics. This data is a component of our powerful Credit Union Impact Dashboard. According to Filing Center for the Next Generation of Member Growth, a recent survey of credit union professionals identified attracting young members and competition with banks and fintechs as big industry challenges. Before America's credit unions acquired the ADS, the Federal Reserve Survey of Consumer Finances, or SCF, conducted every 3 years, was the primary source of nationally representative data on the age distribution of bank and credit union consumers. However, the SCF's sample size is fewer than 5,000 households, limiting its ability to provide state-level insights while remaining statistically representative. The ADS, with a much larger sample of 23 million customers and updated monthly, allows for a robust analysis at different geographic levels. Another difference between the two datasets is that ADS captures credit relationships with financial institutions, while the SCF is a comprehensive survey that includes other areas of finance. According to the SCF, the median age of credit union members increased from 42 years in 2001 to 52 years in 2022, compared to an increase from 49 to 53 years old for bank customers. This showed that the median credit union member has aged by 10 years over 2 decades. However, the ADS data from October 2024 provides a different and more detailed breakdown. This breakdown shows that approximately 50% of credit union members are between the ages of 18 and 54, with a median age of about 45, similar to bank customers. While this trend has remained stable since 2005, minor shifts include an increase in membership proportion among the 18 to 24 and 55 to 74 age groups, alongside a slight decline in the 35 to 54 age group. States like Utah, Alaska, and North Dakota have a larger proportion of their membership between 18 to 44 than the national average. States such as Vermont, Maine, New Mexico, and Florida have a larger proportion of members over 65. The key takeaway is that the median credit union member has not aged over the years, according to the credit report data. The median member is also about 7 years younger than what the Fed survey suggests. Understanding demographic trends is essential for credit unions to identify growth opportunities, design targeted financial services, and support technology adoption. A look into the distribution of borrowers by loan types also reveals that lenders have minor differences. Credit unions have slightly more 18 to 24-year-old auto loan and credit card borrowers in their portfolio compared to banks or auto finance companies. On the other hand, banks have a higher proportion of borrowers aged 35 to 54. The differences are all between 1 to 2 percentage points. For first mortgage loans, credit unions have more members between ages 45 and 74 compared to others, while banks and mortgage companies have more 25 to 35-year-olds relative to credit unions. The ADS also enhances our understanding of credit union membership distribution. Existing call report data allocates all members to the state where the credit union's headquarters is located, regardless of where the member lives. This often leads to inaccuracies. To address this, America's credit unions has relied on Project Zip Code to map membership distribution across the states and congressional districts more accurately. This tool is vital for advocacy efforts at both the state and federal levels. However, Project Zip Code's effectiveness depends on your credit union's participation. The more credit unions that participate, the better our results. Equifax Analytic data is used to fill some of these gaps. The ADS can also estimate membership numbers by federal and congressional districts using zip code crosswalk files from the Department of Housing and Urban Development. This supports better estimates of credit unions' economic and financial contributions at state and district levels. That said, a complete and updated Project Zip Code dataset remains the most powerful and accurate tool for detailed membership analysis. It gives us the ability to pinpoint the number of credit union members by state legislative districts and which credit union they belong to, a level of detail that is difficult to get from ADS. With this in mind, make sure your credit union has updated its project zip code information using the link below so it's available as we work with the new Congress. If your credit union hasn't updated its project zip code information, please take a moment to do that. Information on how to do that is in the description below. This data makes a huge difference for our advocacy efforts. That's all for this economic update. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.